Hunt for ET, source, NASA, ESA. By visualgk.com. Initially, ground-based observatories took the reins, providing the historic first burst of distant worlds, exoplanets, discovery. The technology got better, and the planet count ran into the hundreds. Still, Earth's thick atmosphere, and its rippling interference, kept even the best ground-based telescopes from seeing more clearly. Lifting our telescopes above the veil of Earth's atmosphere revealed a dazzling universe across the light spectrum. It also extended our reach in the search for planets around other stars. Now we count these confirmed exoplanets in the thousands, many of them about the size of Earth, and orbiting in their stars' habitable zones. The next generation of space telescopes will open new windows in the search for life, as we peer into the atmospheres of these planets, and taste their skies. Telescopes and spacecraft, looking for vital signs of life. Kepler Space Telescope. 2009 to 2018. Searching for over 9 years, Kepler enabled scientists to observe 530,506 stars, and 2,662 planets, from outside our solar system. It showed that between 20 and 50% of stars have planets, similar in size to Earth, within their habitable zone. That's a lot of potential for life. (500-meter aperture, spherical telescope, or FAST). 2016 to present. FAST uses radio waves to locate exoplanets, seeking to detect electromagnetic transmissions of artificial origin. If aliens are trying to contact us, this telescope could pick up the call. TESS Exoplanet Hunting Mission. 2018 to present. The Transiting Exoplanet Survey Satellite, or TESS, has discovered thousands of exoplanets, orbiting dwarf stars. It has enabled astronomers to build a vast database of worlds that are close enough to be studied for signs of extraterrestrial life. Mars 2020. 2020 to present. Part of NASA's Mars exploration program, Mars 2020 is the mission which has placed the Perseverance rover on the surface of Mars. It has also launched a rotary helicopter called Ingenuity. Their primary aim is to seek signs of ancient life. James Webb Space Telescope. 2021 to 2031. The successor to Hubble looks back 13.5 billion years to the time when the first stars and galaxies were formed. Able to detect infrared, it is able to determine the atmospheres of planets and detect if they are being modified by alien life. Europa Clipper. 2024 to 2034. This mission plans to send an orbiter to perform as many as 50 flybys of Jupiter's icy moon Europa. By scanning close to every part of the moon, NASA hopes to use cameras, spectrometers, and ice-penetrating radar to work out if Europa is capable of hosting life. Dragonfly. 2027 to 2039. Planning to launch in 6 years, the robotic rotorcraft will be sent to the surface of Saturn's largest moon Titan. After landing in 2034, it will search for the building blocks of life. It's going to take its scientific payload to multiple locations, which will give astronomers an abundance of data. (30-meter telescope. 2027 onwards. When it's built, high atop a volcano in Hawaii, this telescope will be one of the most powerful ever seen. Scientists are also identifying planets. It could help them study for signs of life, including Proxima Centauri b. Extremely Large Telescope. 2027 onwards. Part of the European Southern Observatory, this telescope is being built in the Atacama Desert in Chile, and will be used to scan the skies for exoplanets. It will have 250 times the light-gathering area of Hubble, and will produce 16 times sharper images. Giant Magellan Telescope. 2029 onwards. This telescope will produce direct images of planets, in the habitable zones of other stars. Astronomers will be able to analyze the atmospheres of those exoplanets, and look for key indicators of life, potentially making some staggering breakthroughs. Please like, share and subscribe. visualgk.com